we have the Tri-People Prayer. Video player, please.
We recognize the Emilio Aguinaldo College Honor Bearers representing the place where it all began. Palakpakan po natin. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Sa likod ng Chapa, Mr. Ace Van Ian Pantinoble. A round of applause. Next, the governor and the man behind Talu in sa likod ng Chapa, Mr. Charles Datlan.
Everyone, let's give a big round of applause and kindly stand up sa lahat po ng mga pangalan na tinatawag natin. Kailangan i-acknowledge natin kung gaano kayo magaling sa paggawa ng ganitong pelikula. So kindly stand up so we can acknowledge your presence tonight.
Hindi na natin nakikita from this point, no? Okay, from our sound recordist of sa likod ng Chapa, Mr. Dan Lester Abarasi.
Offline video editor of sa likod ng Chapa, Jeffrey Gutang. Let's give him a big round of applause, everybody.
Yes. Next, director of photography and editor of sa likod ng Chapa, Mr. Willie Apa Jr.
The young Hansel Marantan in sa likod ng Chapa, Christopher Miguel Saladero.
Okay, next, production manager of sa likod ng Chapa, Miss Althea Beatriz Caduaya Felizarda. And of course, our producer, writer and director, composer, Miss Edita Zay Caduaya. Round of applause. Maraming salamat po. That's for our productions.
Chief of the Philippine National Police and the Police Colonel Hansel Marantan, please give a quick message for everyone tonight before we watch the actual film. We're very excited to watch it, so please join us here on stage for a quick message.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Once again, I would like to invite to be with us on stage Police General Nicolas Dore and Police Colonel Hansel Marantan. Let's give them a big round of applause, everybody. Thank you very much. Everyone is really excited to watch the film,
yes.
And now we will hear it from two of the most important people here tonight.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm just as excited as you to watch the movie, so I do believe that meron sa mga guests kanina. So let's get it on and excited na manood na tayo.
Thank you very much. Of course. Okay. Alright. Let us move forward this time around.
And of course, we will ask a message for our producer, writer.
A big round of applause, everybody.
Sa lahat ng mga nagpagod, naghihirap, nasaktan at lumiwa, from their officers to their own, this documentary is free. Sa mga nasa Cinema 3, salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Ang dokumentaryong ito ay isang salamin ng ating lipunan. At lahat po ng tulong na ibigay nyo ay pupunta sa Women and Children Desk ng Philippine National Police at saka Police Transformation Program. Suportahan po natin at itulak natin ang pelikula at dokumentaryong Pilipino. Magandang gabi and let's start the show.
Yes, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino! And now everybody, I think you are very excited to watch